All right, here we go. Be on Boss YouTube channel. Your boy Credit K back with another great video. These driving jobs, driving gigs, independent contractor position that you guys love to hear about. See, click the like button, chat, share with your friends. I'm back with another one. You see the title, you see the thumbnail, Reliable Express. So this is something you're interested in. If you're interested in starting your own courier business, being a medical courier, using your own vehicle to get to the shmoney, hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and share this. And also leave a comment because it helps me get out to a wider audience and get everybody back to work. So Reliable Express. It's a great company. It allows you to drive your own vehicle to make money in your market. Looking for full-time and part-time temporary drivers. You can have, like I said, car, SUV, minivan, cargo van, box truck. Must be 21 years of age and pass a drug test. But let's see what area they're in. I know you guys always like to find stuff that's in your area. They don't want to waste your time. Looking at these videos, if you cannot apply, I like to get straight to the information, no fluff, right to the info, right to the good stuff. So this company looks like it's based out of the Michigan, Illinois, Milwaukee, Indiana, basically northern Midwest area. See all the markets here. So if you're in these markets, or if you drive through these markets on your way to some other place during your expediting, it's always great to get in ahead and sign up. And I just got a ping from this company called Pickup. I'm gonna do a video about. I don't think I did a pickup video yet, but here's how that works. Here's like a little $65 run, but it asks for two people for 51 miles. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the money part. See where they based out of. Opportunities. So what you can make: $2,000 if you got a cargo van, $1,000 if you got a minivan. Like I said, must pass drug screen, delivering to commercial places, residential areas. So you probably delivering furniture from school. From other businesses to people's residentials and business to business. I got to check Indeed, check and see what they say about the money. It's the real money. Most couriers they're making $2,800 a month. Delivery drivers $1,400 a month. Salary working part time from 19,000 to 75,000 for independent contractors, which is very good. If you take out gas, it's probably about 50,000. So depending on where you are, it's all right, decent work just for delivering stuff on your own time. Not sure if that's full 8-hour days or whatnot, but it ain't bad. So go ahead and try Reliable Express Transport out. I'm going to leave a link to the description down below so you can check them out. And remember, always be on boss, baby.